Stop making basic logos and learn to create mesmerizing, complex vector designs that will wow your clients. First, let's open Adobe Illustrator and set up our artboard. Make sure you choose the dimensions you need for your project. We'll start with a blank canvas to build our logo from scratch. Select the pen tool. This is your best friend for creating custom shapes. Click and drag to form curves and straight lines. Building the foundational elements of your logo. Spend some time practicing with it. Now, for the next step, use the Pathfinder panel, which is the magic for combining shapes. Select your shapes and experiment with unite, minus front, intersect, and exclude functions to create intricate forms. This is where your logo starts to shine. Gradients are key for visual depth. Select a shape, choose the gradient tool, and experiment with different types of gradients, linear, radial, or even freeform to make your designs pop. Vary colors and positions for a dazzling look. Let's now add some effects to further refine our style. The effects menu offers options like drop, shadow, and bevel and emboss to create depth and realism. Experiment with opacity, angle, and other options to give your logo an edge. Finally, take the time to really explore, experiment with all the different effects and really create your logo. Should be outstanding and have the ability to leave that lasting impression. With these techniques, your logo will become truly unique. #logo design #vector graphics.